Good day everyone, my name is Bernard Uvir. I am pleased to be here today to talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly developing fields of technology, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It is the ability of machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision-making, language translation, and visual perception, among others. AI has been in development for many years, but with recent advancements in technology, it has made incredible progress. Today, AI is used in many areas, including finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, and transportation, to name a few. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This makes it an essential tool for businesses and organizations that require real-time analysis of vast amounts of information to make better decisions. AI also has the potential to transform our lives in many ways. For example, self-driving cars that use AI can help reduce accidents caused by human error, while intelligent medical diagnosis systems can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and improve patient outcomes. Despite the many benefits of AI, there are also concerns about its potential impact on jobs, privacy, and security. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is essential that we carefully consider the ethical and societal implications of its use. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is an incredibly exciting field that has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. As we continue to develop and integrate AI technology into our daily lives, we must do so with care, considering both the benefits and the potential risks. Thank you.